Hi students, good morning to all. I wish you have a nice day for all of you. Okay, today we are going to learn a new lesson, that is lesson 12. What if it finishes? What if it finishes? Okay, in this very interesting lesson, in this lesson we discuss about our society, the rules obeyed by our society, the people's, the rules obeyed by the peoples who live in our society. Okay, here first of all we learn just in this lesson about a bus journey, We all know that during the pandemic period, we all the students cannot come into our school for your studies. We know that about the COVID-19. Okay, so and in other ways, in the previous year, in which way we come to our school for our studies? Yes, by bus. Some children by bus. Some of them are by their personal private vehicles. Some of them are coming to our school by walking. Then by bus, by public buses, then by our school van, etc. Like that. Or some people, some children come to our school by scooter, etc. Like that. So in the way of our school, we are arrive or we are drive in through the vehicle in the road. So we know that there are different types of roads present in the place we live. We know that the highways, then puka roads, then small roads, bypasses, then small roads are present in our surroundings. Okay, these all things we know. And also through this road we drive with our vehicles. We come to our school for our learning purposes. Okay, then next we know that in this lesson we discussed, first of all we discussed about traffic. We know that in the younger stage itself we know about traffic rules and safety rules during driving. Then what all things we should obey in the traffic or etc. We know some things, we know that. Okay, in the here we are going to learn more about safety rules, We know that in the during the small or infancy stage itself, not infancy, like grown-up stage itself, what are the basic safety rules we should obey. Then we know that we should only cross with the roads with our elders. Do not cross the road without our elders. Only cross the road through the zebra lines. Okay. Then next one we learn. We know that we should go or we should follow our safety rules if we drive. So these all things we learn in the small stages itself. So let's start our lesson. Okay, first of all, what if it finishes? A bus journey. Today we are going on a school trip to the Andalaj Stepwell, about 80 kilometers from Ahmedabad. Okay, here the children go to a school trip from a step to the Stepwell. It is situated 80 kilometers from where Ahmedabad. We began counting the vehicles on the road. The students in the school bus counted the vehicles run on the road. Some of us counted the bicycles, others counted the buses, car and motorcycles. We know that if we just look into our road, then our highway roads, what all vehicles we can see? We can see bicycle, bicycle. Then we can see bicycle. We can see bicycle. Second, car, jeep. Then scooter. Then bike. Then bus, lorry, van, motorcycle. Motorcycle includes scooter, bike, etc. Motorcycle, etc. We can see in our roads. Okay. Then Abraham, who was counting bicycle, soon got bored. There were hardly any bicycle on this highway. We know that at present there is no, in the present scenario there is no bicycles we can count on our highways. We can only see car, jeep, scooter, bike, bus, lorry, van, etc. on our highways. Then the driver suddenly braked at the red light. We know that in the traffic signals we can see a red signal, a green signal and a yellow signal on the traffic. Red, green and yellow signals we know that in the traffic. So the driver suddenly braked at the red light. Suddenly braked. The red signal suddenly braked at the red signal. It was a big crossing and we could see the traffic lined up on all sides. Then home, the sound of loud horns and smoke coming out of the vehicles. We know that during in the middle of traffic there is the loud noise is also formed and also smoke coming out of the vehicles. Maybe that is why a little boy in a rickshaw was coughing so much. The smoke coming from the vehicle, due to the smoke coming from the vehicles, a small boy, a little boy in a rickshaw. The rickshaw was coughing so much due to smoke coming from the vehicles. So it causes air pollution. It causes air pollution. Then I smelled something familiar. I remembered this smell. It came from Baba's tractor in the village. Baba's tractor in the village. From this we can analyze that during the traffic time there is two types of pollutions are formed. First one, noise pollution or sound pollution. Noise pollution or sound pollution. During the middle of the traffic, there are two types of pollutions are formed. First one, sound pollution. Sound pollution. Sound or noise pollution. Sound or noise pollution. Then second one, air pollution. Air pollution. Two types of pollutions are arised in the traffic. Air pollution. Okay. And also during the time of drive, we should obey some safety rules. We should obey some road safety rules. Road safety rules. We should obey some road safety rules. Road safety rules. Do you know which are the road safety rules we should obey? First one, never drink and drive. Never drink and drive. First road safety rule. First one, road safety rules. Road safety rules. We know that we should cross the road only with the elders. Second one, never drink and drive. drive. First we should cross the road. First one. We should cross the road. We should cross the road only with the elders. Only with the elders. Only with the elders. Then second one, never drink and drive. Never drink and drive. Never drink and drive. Never drink and drive. Next one, always wear seat belt. Always wear seat belt during driving. Always wear seat belt. Always wear seat belt. Always wear seat belt during driving. Then keep a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. That means keep a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. Keep a safe. Keep a safe distance. Keep a safe distance. Keep a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. From the vehicle. From the vehicle ahead. Next one, always avoid distractions. Always avoid distractions. Always avoid distractions. Always avoid distractions. Then never break red signal. Never break red signals. Never break red signal. Never break red signal. Then always drive within speed limit. Always drive within speed limit. Speed limit. These are the different road safety rules we should obey. First one, we should cross the road only with the elders, and also we should cross the road through the zebra lines. Next, never drink and drive. Never drink and drive. Next, third one, always wear seat belt. Always wear seat belt. Then keep a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. Then always avoid distractions. Always avoid distractions. Never break red signal. Never break red signal. Once again, we should cross the road only with the elders. We should cross the road through the zebra lines. Then never drink and drive. Always wear seat belt. Then keep a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. Next, always avoid distractions. Then never break red signal. Always drive within a speed limit. Within speed limit. Always drive within speed limit. Always drive within speed limit. Then avoid the drowsiness while driving. Avoid the drowsiness while driving. These are the different road safety rules we should obey. We should obey. Okay. Road safety rules. First of all, once again, we should cross the road only with the elders. We should cross the road through the zebra lines. Then never drink and drive. Then always wear seat belt. Keep a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. Then always avoid distractions. Never break red signal. Then always drive within speed limit. Then avoid the drowsiness while driving. Avoid the drowsiness while driving. These are the different road safety rules we should obey. Okay, I think all of you understood the different road safety rules we should obey. Okay, once again, we should cross the road only with the elders. We should cross the road through the zebra lines. we should never drink and drive, always wear seat belt, keep a safe distance from the vehicle ahead, always avoid the distractions, never break the red signal, then always drive within speed limit, avoid the drowsiness while driving. These are the different road safety rules we should obey. Okay, and also next we know that during the time of traffic, in the present scenario, the numbers of vehicles are increased day by day in our on the road. So due to this, there are two types of pollutions are arise. First one, noise pollution. The second one is air pollution. Noise pollution and air pollution. First one, noise pollution. Second one, air pollution. First one, noise pollution. First pollution, noise. Noise pollution. First of all, we know that at the present scenario, the number of vehicles are increased day by day due to this noise pollution and air pollution is also formed. So, the noise pollution means if the noise pollution is an invisible danger, the noise pollution is an invisible danger. We cannot see the noise. We cannot see the noise. So it is an invisible danger. The noise pollution is an invisible danger. Noise pollution is an invisible danger. So we cannot see the noise, but the noise makes us more irritated. So it is an invisible danger. Okay. Then the most common health problem caused by noise pollution is noise-induced hearing loss. 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 It's the most common health problem caused by noise pollution is noise-induced hearing loss. Noise-induced hearing loss. Okay, and also the loud noise can also cause high BP, that is high blood pressure. Loud noise can also cause what? Loud noise can cause high BP, high blood pressure, then heart disease, high blood pressure, heart disease, sleep disturbances, and stress, etc. are the different problems, health problems arise due to loud noise. Loud noise can cause high blood pressure, heart disease, sleep disturbances and stress. High blood pressure, heart disease, sleep disturbances and stress. These are the different health problems caused due to loud noise. High BP, that means high blood pressure, then heart disease, sleep disturbances and stress. Then it causes the noise pollution can cause all age groups, especially children. Once again, then the number of vehicles are increased on the road. it causes pollution, two types of pollutions, noise pollution and also air pollution. Noise pollutions are occur due to the loud noises of horns, different horns of the vehicles are makes the noise pollutions. The loud noise can cause an invisible danger to every living or living things. Then and also it causes a most common health problems like noise, induced hearing loss, and also it can cause high blood pressure, heart disease, then sleep disturbances and stress. These are the different problems caused due to noise pollution. The next one, air pollution. We know that the vehicles like a tractor, then huge heavy lorries, etc. can make some smoke, etc. can make smoke. These smoke can cause many health problems. Okay, next one, air pollution. Next one, air pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution is also an invisible danger. Air pollution is also an invisible danger. It is also an invisible danger. It is also an invisible danger. We cannot see the polluted air in the atmosphere. Polluted air in the atmosphere, it is an invisible danger, and also this polluted air can cause many health issues. This polluted air can cause many health issues like cough, nausea. It can make many health issues. It can make many health issues. Health issues like cough, then nausea, cough, nausea, headache, poor concentration, fatigue, then lack of sleep, fatigue and lack of sleep. These are the different health issues caused due to air pollution. For example, we know that from the tractor is also a vehicle. So from the tractor, there is more huge smokes are coming from this tractor. So it is polluted air. So that polluted air can cause many health issues like a cough, nausea, headache, poor concentration in studies, in everything, and also we affect fatigue, and also it causes lack of sleep. These are the different health issues arise due to air pollution. So in this chapter we will discuss more. First of all, what are things we learned? Yes, we learned about what? Road safety rules. Which are the road safety rules? We should cross the road only with the elders. We should cross the road through the zebra lines. We should never drink and drive. Then we should always wear seat belt. Then we should keep a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. Then we should always avoid distractions. We should never break red signal. Then we should always drive within speed limit. These are the different road safety rules we should obey. Then next we learn about the two types of pollutions, air pollution and noise pollution. We know that the number of vehicles increased day by day. It causes pollution like noise and air pollution. First of all, noise pollution. During the traffic, we feel more irritated due to the sound, loud noises produced by different vehicles, or loud noises come from different vehicles, and also it causes many health issues. The most common health problem caused due to noise pollution is noise-induced hearing loss. And the noise pollution causes all age groups, especially children. Next one, the noise pollution can also cause high blood pressure, heart diseases, then sleep disturbances, stress, then irritation, etc. can cause due to noise pollution. Like this, air pollution is also occurred due to the increased number of vehicles day by day. Then the smoke pollution is also an invisible danger. We cannot see the polluted air present in the atmosphere. So the polluted air coming from the vehicles are inhaled by human beings, animals and plants. It get destroyed. And also many health issues are arised due to air pollutions. Like due to air pollutions, the health issues like cough, nausea, fatigue, stress, lack of sleep, headache, poor concentration, etc. are the health issues caused due to air pollution. So, to avoid or to overcome these pollutions, we should obey some rules. We should planting trees everywhere on the sides of the road. It should help us to control noise pollution, and also it control air pollution. Then we learn a more road safety rules. Which are the road safety rules we should obey? Then first of all, we should never cross the road only. We should cross the road only with the elders. We should cross the road through the zebra lines. We should never break the red signal. We should always wear seat belt. Okay, these are different road safety rules we should follow. Okay, next in our textbook, look at the picture on page 110 and write. So on the page 110 we can see a traffic. Here we can see so many vehicles are present. So these increased number of vehicles can cause many health issues and also many health issues. Here's some questions related on the picture. First one, what are the different kinds of vehicles that you can see? Yes, we can see motorcycle, scooter, bicycle, auto rickshaw, bus, car, jeep, van, etc. we can see in that picture. What do you think? They need petrol and diesel as fuel? Yes, we know that most of the vehicles need petrol and diesel as fuel for their running. So, except cycles does not need fuel like petrol and diesel. We know that today the fuels used for vehicles are petrol, diesel, CNG, LPG, etc. are used by the vehicles for running. Next step, which vehicle does not need proper fuel for their running? Yes, cycles. Which of the vehicles do you think give off smoke, put a red mark on those. We know that except a cycle, most of the old vehicles need fuel, petrol and diesel as fuel for running, and also it gives out smoke or it make air pollution. Which are the vehicles run without petrol and diesel? We know that except cycle, Tonga wala, etc. Does not need petrol and diesel for run. What problems do we face from the speeding vehicles? What problems do we face from the speeding vehicles? Accidents. We face accidents. Accidents if we do not speed the limit of vehicles. Speed the limit vehicles. Okay. Next one. Do you ride a bicycle? Do you ride a bicycle? Yes. Yes, all of us ride a bicycle. If yes, where all do you go on it? Then by bicycle we are going on school, playground, market, our nearest places like then bus stand, then where our relatives' house, etc. We are going on bicycle. How do you come to school? Some children come to school by school van, some public buses, private buses, then private vehicles, etc. Okay, how do your family members go to work from home? Yes, some family members, some of them going on bus, some of them are going in private vehicles, etc. What problems can we have from smoke coming out of vehicles? What problems can we have from smoke coming out of the vehicles? Yes, we know that the smoke means air. It causes air pollution. Our atmospheric air become polluted due to the smoke coming out from the vehicles. So it causes coughing, nausea, headache, poor concentration, then fatigue, lack of sleep, stress, irritation, etc. they are caused. What kind of problems can we face from noise of vehicles? The noise of vehicles can also make a most common health issues like noise-induced hearing loss. The noise pollution can even affect, it cannot it can even affect all the age group, especially children. So, and also the noise of vehicles can cause hearing problems, then it make air pollution, etc. Okay, all of you understood about road safety rules, air pollution, noise pollution, etc. Okay, next we are going to our next topic on the petrol pump. After some time, our bus stopped at a petrol pump. We know that the old vehicles, except bicycle, then Tonga wala, etc. Except these two vehicles, all the vehicles are run with the use of fuels like diesel and petrol. Fuels like diesel and petrol. These things we know. Okay, so what all things we learned? Today we learned about some road safety rules. Then the more traffic increased and also it causes two types of pollutions, air pollution and noise pollution. It also causes many health issues to all human or all living things. Okay students, today let's wind up the class. All of you read your textbook more and more times. Okay, thank you.